In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a common issue with Toyota seatbelt retractors. If your seatbelt won't retract or is stuck, these simple steps might help. First, check for any twists or debris in the belt itself. Sometimes dirt or small objects can jam the retractor. Next, try gently pulling the seatbelt all the way out and letting it retract slowly. This can help reset the locking mechanism inside. If the belt still won't retract, locate the retractor mechanism behind the interior panel near the seat. You might need to remove the panel to access it. Once exposed, check for any visible damage or dirt. You can try cleaning the mechanism carefully with compressed air or a soft brush. If the retractor spring is worn out or broken, it might need replacement. In that case, it's best to consult a professional for safety reasons. If this video helped you fix your Toyota seatbelt retractor, please like and subscribe for more practical car repair tips. Thanks for watching.